Okay, so it's a bit of a blowy day. I'm in the maze clamp and I'm gradually getting through this trailer. So we've got painted underneath, got top undercoat on the trailer as well. But today I got a lovely little package arrive in the post from the lovely people at Norton. And you might have seen on the other videos, I said to them, I contacted them, they said they'd send me some stickers. Well, they have arrived. Now I haven't actually opened these yet, so I don't know what they're going to be like. Let's just have a look at the stickers on the trailer first. Okay, so this is one of the stickers on the side of the trailer, and you can see it's pretty tatty. Now what I did, rightly or wrongly, I painted round it because, to be honest, I wasn't 100% sure whether I'd get any of these stickers, and although people always say, oh, we'll send you some, they don't always follow up. And there's another one around this side. One there, but also this big long one here. So I'm not exactly sure what they've sent me, but we'll have a look inside the package and see. And then these things I'm going to have to take off or scrape off, I think. Okay, got a trusty penknife. I haven't opened this yet. Oh. Okay, bear with me. They packaged it really well. You can tell this is genuine. I haven't cheated on this because it's really well sealed up. Fair play to them. Actually, I really love opening stuff like this. It's nice, like a Christmas present, isn't it, for a farmer? Don't get many exciting things in the post, mostly bills, so it's nice to get something interesting. Let's have a look what we got in here then. What do you reckon? Now, they told me actually they had to reprint some of them, so very kind of them to do that. Fair play. Look up their website by the Norton Trailers. They got, I think they're based in Weston. Here we go. And they've got quite a good range of trailers. Do have a look at what they do. It's fair play to them. Have a look at this. Look. Wow. Ooh. Blowing away that one. Oh, they sent me a nice letter. Please find enclosed stickers. Look. Hope you help with your restoration. We're looking forward to watching the video on YouTube. Oh, brilliant. Please do not hesitate to contact anything further. We are more than happy to help. Oh, that's really nice. Richard Stedman, Engineering Department, Norton Trailers. Fair play, look at that. You know, isn't that lovely to get something? Don't get many freebies, so really nice guys to send that. So we got this, supplied by Norton. That's the one on the side. They got the contact details on there, Western Supermare. So this is right up to date. Put this down. I'm a bit worried it's going to blow away. I did say, let's have a look. We've got another side one, so that's cool. We've got two of these Norton stickers, and then hopefully we've got some of the bigger ones. I don't know what else we've got. Crikey, there's a whole load in here. Oh, look at that. Hang on, I'm running out of hands. They're all blowing away. Look, there is the big boy from the side. And there's two of them. Oh, cool. I love a Norton sticker. That is excellent. Look at it. How many have they put in? A little one, and oh look, there's fitment details, loads of inflations. Look, fair play, and some little Norton ones. Oh, cool! I've got stickers coming out of my ears. And they put, oh look, they put some warning stickers. Keep clear of when, much better. So I've got a whole set of stickers for a trailer. Oh. Thanks guys from Norton, if you're watching, appreciate this. And now I've got to work out whether to scrape those stickers off or just paint over them. What do you reckon? I'll give it a go with a scraper first of all. Let's have a look. And I've got to put these somewhere before they blow away. I am stickered up with Norton. Let's go. Okay, so don't think I really need to do a lot with these actually. I think I'm going to cheat. I think I'm going to cheat and I'm going to put the new stickers over the top of it. I thought I might just put a layer of paint over that so it doesn't show through. Keep that one, because I don't think they've sent me a model number, but fair play, they don't know whether they make this one anymore. So some new stickers going, I might even cover that up, don't need that. New stickers going on after I put a top coat of paint. I don't think anyone noticed the stickers are painted over once they're I've got new ones on there.